Do you want to know who follows your Spotify playlist? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can see who follows your Spotify playlist. So go ahead and open Spotify and go to your playlist. So I want to tap on this playlist, so I've tapped on this playlist and you can see one person has liked your playlist. To know who is this person, you should tap on your profile over here and you can see your followers and following. So click on followers and you can see that these are the people who have liked your playlist, and you can see that your followers have also followed your playlist and they can check your playlist and play songs. I hope this video about how you can see who follows your playlist on Spotify was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.